Hi everyone, now we talk about FinTech, which is financial technology, and I will give some examples of work being done in this area. When you use PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Wallet, or simply your credit card to make an online purchase, you the consumer, the e-commerce retailer, and the banks behind the money exchange are using FinTech. And also, when you go online to find the best mortgage rates for that dream home or refinance that one you are in, that's FinTech. Let's ask the tech, what is the definition of FinTech? Broadly speaking, FinTech, which means financial technology, is anywhere technology is applied in financial services or used to help companies manage the financial aspects of their business, including new software and applications, processes, and business models. FinTech is not new. It's been around in one form or another virtually as long as financial services has. After global financial crisis of 2008, however, FinTech has evolved to disrupt and reshape commerce, payments, investments, asset management, insurance, clearance and settlement of securities, and even money itself with cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin. So, what is Bitcoin?
What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital currency. Bitcoins are digital coins you can send through the internet. Compared to other alternatives, Bitcoins have a number of advantages. Bitcoins are transferred directly from person to person via the net without going through a bank or clearinghouse. This means that the fees are much lower, you can use them in every country, your account cannot be frozen, and there are no prerequisites or arbitrary limits. Let's look at how it works. Bitcoins are generated all over the internet by anybody running a free application called a Bitcoin miner. Mining requires a certain amount of work for each block of coins. This amount is automatically adjusted by the network such that Bitcoins are always created at a predictable and limited rate. Your Bitcoins are stored in your digital wallet, which might look familiar if you use online banking. When you transfer Bitcoins, an electronic signature is added. After a few minutes, the transaction is verified by a miner and permanently and anonymously stored in the network. The Bitcoin software is completely open source and anybody can review the code. Bitcoin is changing finance the same way the web changed publishing. When everyone has access to a global market, great ideas flourish. Let's look at some examples of how Bitcoins are already used today. You can purchase video games, gifts, books, servers, and alpaca socks. Several currency exchanges exist where you can trade your Bitcoins for dollars, euros, and more. Bitcoins are a great way for small businesses and freelancers to get noticed. It doesn't cost anything to start accepting them, there are no chargebacks or fees, and you'll get additional business from the Bitcoin economy. For your first Bitcoins and more information, visit weusecoins.com.
That was really good explanation. Maybe one day you will buy chocolate from Bakkal amca with Bitcoin.
Peki Zeki Müren de bizi görecek mi?
There are many Bitcoin miners and also stockbroker, which earn money from exchange Bitcoin from stock market. However, both miners and stockbrokers are accepted as customers. So, who are the entrepreneurs? The people who get commissions from traders. Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, Bitfinex are stock markets use variety of cryptocurrency. In our country, there are several examples such as Paribu, Papara, BTC Turk and Coinim. Their job is very simple. They buy coin for $10 and they sell another one for $11. They work just like this. Thank you for your attention. Now you may enjoy the Kimren.
Şiirlerde, romanlarda gelmiş geçmiş zamanlarda ham Tamburlarda, kemanlarda, şarkılarda yaşıyorum. Tamburlarda, kemanlarda, şarkılarda yaşıyorum. Sevgilerden akışlarla, mutlu mutsuz bakışlarla. Sevgilerden akışlarla, mutlu mutsuz bakışlarla. Kalpten kalbe akışlarla, alkışlarla yaşıyorum. Kalpten kalbe akışlarla, alkışlarla yaşıyorum. Ben de sevdim bir zamanlar, içimde bin hatıra var. Ben de sevdim bir zamanlar, içimde bin hatıra var. Herkes hayatını yaşar, anılarla yaşıyorum. Herkes hayatını yaşar, anılarla yaşıyorum. Ne köşklerde ne sarayda, ne dünyada ne de ayda, benim yerim çok uzakta, dualarla yaşıyorum. Benim yerim çok uzakta, dualarla yaşıyorum.
Şarkılara duygu seren, çilelere göğüs geren. Şarkılara duygu seren, çilelere göğüs geren.
Dertli gönüllere giren, işte benim Zeki Müren. Dertli gönüllere giren, işte benim Zeki Müren. Kimsesizlerin kimsesiziyim, kimsesizim. Yalnızların yalnızıyım, yalnızım. Dertlilerin dertlisiyim, dertliyim. Aşıkların aşkıyım, aşıkım. İsmim Mesut, göbek adım Bahtiyar. Yıllarca hep böyle bildiniz siz. Mesut Bahtiyar'dan şarkılar dinlediniz.